How can I do that? It's burned.
It's burned. Put a rock on it.
No, that's
Oh, this is the best straw for the fire. It's gonna burn out. It's burning out.
What are you trying to do?
Come on, I'm gonna get some fire.
This is the last straw.
Dude, you blew it out.
It's not gonna burn, Ian.
Why? Why isn't it?
Nice clear on, you blew some of the fire out.
Yeah.
It's not
No,
gonna.
there's some more. There's some hope. There's still some hope. Yeah. Put leaves.
Okay, come on. We gotta get some leaves.
Leave some leaves. The dry leaves, though. If you put a.
Eat it. It's eating. It's working. Get more leaves.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it helped.
Just put some leaves.
Yes, my leaf. Don't put it out.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that's good.
Let's make it smoky. It's a make it a long stick.
But still, this is the last straw. Finally.
No,
it's helping.
You need oxygen.
Yeah.
Needs oxygen.
Oxygen, heat, and something
Just
else.
only a few at a time.
What's the last thing you need? There's 3 things you need for it. Oxygen, heat, and
Good. Oh, whoa.
Sakal.
Yeah, that was big.
oh. Backer said.
No, don't put it out.
You put it out.
Get some more leaves. Get some more leaves. Some more leaves.
Get more leaves.
Dude, don't start a fire on the rocks. I'm gonna have to go like,
Why put some
this
grass?
is the straw. No, fine, put some grass. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. We're gonna go get mom and dad, okay?
Help. That grass doesn't help. There's good.
Sarado mo agad, Dries, kasi yung mga insekto.
We need more grass. Yeah, we need more fire, actually.
Mom, yes. Help if you just sing along. See if you're ready, that's the only song. See if you're ready, that's the only song. And if you don't think we can sing this any faster, then you're wrong. But it would just help, just sing along. See if you're ready, Patrick. See if you're ready, song, and be ready, song. Squidward. Great! It'll help if you just sing along.
Blow it away.
I think yours melted.
Yeah.
Yours melted. Abby, get
I
your
told you
hands
not too close.
Mine's so hard.
off. Oh, let's scoot over. I need light golden brown.
Told you it's not too
There you
close.
go, I can eat it. Why?
Yeah, try it. Yeah. Careful.
I need another marshmallow.
It's good with chocolate.
Yeah. Chocolate and graham.
Fire's
Graham
going out,
crackers.
guys. Yeah, the fire's going out. Grab it.
Ow.
We
There
need
we go.
more fire.
No, it's fine. I can get another. Oh, okay. One more time, everyone. Campfire song.
R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. And if you don't think we can sing this any faster, then you're wrong. But it would just help if you just sing along. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song.
Start from the beginning so I can capture it film. I'll say action.
Okay, everybody start. Wait. Everyone, wait, stop. Ian. Let's go. Everybody, get your marshmallows and put it in.
Yeah.
Put it in. Then, okay. Wait, he needs to say action. No, wait, turn it off.
Lights, camera,
Turn off.
action.
I call this one the Campfire Song Song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our
Blow it away.
campfire song. Wow. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. And if you don't think we can sing any faster, then you're wrong. But it would just help if you just sing along.
So you won't get the smoke.
C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. And
No
if you don't
pointing.
think we can sing this any faster, then you're wrong. But it would help, just help if you just sing along. Dude, how many of you burned? Patrick! C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G
There you go.
Campfire Song.
I got birthday.
TMP. Squidward.
Great.
There you go.
It will
Got
just,
it.
it will help.
If you just sing
along, yours is on fire, yeah.
you're on fire.
Hey, can you see us home? Point the flashlight.
Put it out, Ian.
I'm gonna make it burn.
Mine is still nothing.
It's
When
okay.
you put it, turn it around slowly so it
Someone
won't.
help. Is that a marshmallow?